सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning all of you. Today we will continue profit loss and discount. This is the first part of this video. Those who have not seen, you see this video nicely and then try to solve. Okay, so we'll start with question number 12. Cost price of an article is 2400 cost price and it is marked at 25% above the cost price. Marked means marked price, list price, printed price. 25% above means 25% more than cost price. Find the profit. What do we need? Profit. If the article is sold at a discount 15%, he is offering discount also, 15% discount, then we have to calculate what is his profit. Let us see the solution. Cost price 2400, marked price 25% above CP means 25% more than cost price. Means suppose that you have bought at 2400, you will not sell at, you will mark more price, then you will have gain. So what price you are marking on the article? 25% more. So 25% of 2400 is 600. So 2400 plus 600, 3000. So you are writing 3000 on the article, then you are ready to sell. So when a customer is coming, you are giving 15% discount also. So after giving the discount, what is your profit percent? It is the question. So for profit when it's selling price, we will use the formula of selling price, 100 minus discount percent by 100 into MP. Selling price is 2550, okay, and cost price is 2400. Now we are having gain means profit. Check profit. Profit, selling price minus cost price, 2550 minus 2400, 150 is profit. Now profit percent, profit by cost price into 100. Calculate, your answer will come. Okay, this question is very important, you have to understand nicely. 30 articles are bought, 30 450 each means cost of one is 450. If one third of the articles be sold at 6% loss, one third of 30, one third means 10 articles are sold at 6% loss. Now what is the condition? At what price must each of the remaining articles be sold in order to make a profit of 10% on the whole? What is the condition? After selling one third, he want overall profit 10%. Okay, so this question has two part. How we will solve? Let us see the solution. Check. Cost price of 30 articles, 30 into 450, 13,500 cost price. One third of article means 10 article. So what is the cost price of 10 article? 10 into 450, 4500. What is the condition? When he sells one third means 10 articles, loss is 6%. So what is the selling price of 10 articles? At what price he is selling? So we will use formula 100 minus 6 by 100 into 4500. 4500 is coming from where? Is the cost price of 10 article. So he is selling at 4230 rupees 10 articles. Now he want 10% profit on all. So check second case, profit 10% on whole, remaining SP. So SP of total means on total he want 10%. We will use 100 plus 10 by 100 into 13,500. Total 30 articles. So he want how much money? He want 14,850 rupees. But already he have sold one third. Means selling price of remaining 20 articles. 10 articles he have sold at first case. So the selling price of remaining 20 articles will be overall minus 10. So 10,620 rupees is the selling price of 20. Therefore the selling price of one article will be, we will divide with 20, 531 rupees each. Then he will have gain on 10% on whole. Okay, so this question has two part. At first you will read the question nicely, then you will understand. Okay, first he is selling 1/3, then he want total overall profit. So we have done like that. Check and try to understand. Question number 14. This question is same as question number 12. Cost price is given 2400. Cost price of an article is 25% below. Below means minus, below the marked price, but marked price is not given. And article is available at 15% discount. Discount is given 15% and its cost price is 2400. Find number 1 marked price, then selling price, then profit percentage. See how we will do this question. Check. Cost price is 2400. Discount is 15%. Then condition is it is 25% below marked price, but marked price is not given. So let marked price of the article is rupees X. Below means minus, marked price is X. How to write? Check in 4th step. CP equal to X minus 25% of X. CP is given 2400. X minus 25x by 100. Take LCM, subtract. So calculate, cross multiplication. X will come 3200. What is X? X is marked price. Okay, main is first line. Okay, marked price is 3200. Then discount is given 15%. We need SP. By using formula we can find SP, selling price 2720. Okay, then what do we need? We need profit. Selling price is here, cost price is here. Easily we can calculate profit. So selling price minus cost price, 2720 minus 2400. 320 is profit. Change in profit percent. Profit by cost price into 100. Calculate 40 by 3, or you can write 13 upon 1 by 3. Percentage is our required answer. Okay, in this question what you have to learn, the first 3 lines you have to check it nicely. If marked price is not given, you will take X. Okay, below means minus. Clear? Find a single discount equivalent to following successive discount, 20% and 12%. For 20% and 12% we have to write only one discount. What is this? Shopkeeper is giving you 2 successive discount. First discount is 20% and then second discount is 12%, but you have to write only one for these 2, which is equal to these 2 discounts. Okay, how we will solve this? There are 2 methods. First method I have done. Second method you will do it by yourself. First method is by using formula. Question you have to understand it nicely. There are 2 discount, 20% and 12%, but we have to take only one discount which is equivalent to these 2. It does not mean that 20 plus 12 is equal to 32%. No, 32% is not our answer. How we will do this? See, discount 1 20, discount 2 12. Let marked price is 100. Marked price is not given, so marked price we will take 100. If marked price is not given, you have to take either X or 100. Okay, so here we will take 100 because there is no data. So selling price formula, you know, 100 minus D1 by 100, 100 minus D2 by 100 multiplied with MP. So discount 1 is 20 and discount 2 is 12. Subtract, do calculation. 70.4 is selling price. What do we need? We need discount. Discount is equal to MP minus SP. So here we will do in percentage. 100 minus 70.4, 29.60. What is 29.60? It is the single discount which is equivalent to both 20% plus 12%. So instead of these two, 20% and 12%, if a shopkeeper is giving you 29.6, it is also equivalent to this. Okay, clear? Now I hope all of you have understand this. If not, then you watch this video again and try. Okay, God bless you. Thank you. Have a good day.